Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to bring a dead weavon to life. Yeah guys, if you have any dead weavon and you're thinking of or you're planning of throwing it away, guys, don't throw your dead weavon away. You can sew it into a wig and try to bring it to life. Yeah guys, try to bring it to life. We can all do this. So guys, stay tuned and watch how I'm going to bring this dead weavon to life. And please make sure to like this video, leave your comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned guys and continue watching. Okay beauties, now I'm sewing in my front closure. Yeah guys, some people do sew from the back before they sew their front closure, but I prefer sewing my front closure before going to sew from the back. Yeah guys, stay tuned and keep watching. And like I said before, this weavon is dead and you can all see it. So guys, don't throw away your dead weavon. Try to bring it back to life by sewing it into a wig cap, and try to bring it back to life, and you can be using it once in a while. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And guys, check out my playlist. I have two playlists, one for handmade skincare products and the other one is for hair tutorial and the makeup tutorial. So guys, I'm done sewing in my front closure, so I'm just going to go to the back right now and start sewing. So stay tuned and keep watching. I love you all, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned guys. Okay beauties, if you're sewing, make sure your sewing is very neat, and make sure your sewing is very tight also. Yeah, because if you're doing a loose sewing, by the time you start brushing your weavon, all the hairs are going to be falling out. So make sure that your sewing is very tight and very neat guys. That is a plain truth. Make sure your sewing is neat, your working is very neat. Okay, beauties, I'm done sewing my wig and this is how it came out. So this hair is totally dead, but I'm just trying to bring it back to life. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to give it a little coil and I hope I can still use this for a few months. Yeah, guys, I hope I can still use this for a few months. So stay tuned and keep watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all and God loves you all. Bye bye. Okay, beauties, this is how it came out. Hope you all love this weavon. I love this weavon now. Yeah, guys, please don't throw away your dead weavon. You can make something out of it. So stay tuned and I love you all. Yeah, guys.